Just fucking. Just.
Fight me there.
Okay. I need to make sure.
My aggro is like a truck. Choo choo. Wait. The train. That's the word.
You're fucking
Dude, don't make fun of me.
fight me.
Why am I the fist of wind? Something's wrong here.
I don't know. Change it.
The 3K Soul Eater crit.
Oh, dude, Jerry! Someone save that poor man.
Damn it, jump.
That's the white mage.
I'm talking to Celine here.
Killer Pressure? 0.5, I mean 0.5. Just like new 0.5, and we should be able to kill
Pull
oppressors.
him outside. Oh shit, Jerry's got aggro. Fuck. Ooh, that hurt.
Kill oppressor. Kill oppressor.
Kill one. Blow your load.
Someone being?
I did.
Yeah, he did.
Do it!
I have no mana.
We did it!
I quit the boot
Oh
shot!
my god.
You quit the moonshine! Aya with the fatty 1227.
Man.
We did it, Reddit.
Oh yeah, I fucking boot shot this open.